Did you know that 1 in 8 drivers in the United States is uninsured? That's a startling 13% of all drivers on the road. Welcome to our channel, Ready Claim, where we help you navigate the complex world of car insurance. It's more than just a legal requirement, it's a safety net for your wallet and your peace of mind. Car insurance can provide financial protection in case of accidents or theft. Are you ready to explore the exciting world of car insurance? Let's dive right in and take a closer look at the different types of coverage available. Understanding the types of car insurance coverage is crucial to making the right choice for your needs. Let's start with liability insurance. It covers the costs if you're responsible for an accident. Collision insurance, on the other hand, helps pay for your car's repair or replacement if it's damaged in an accident with another vehicle or object. Next, we have comprehensive insurance, covering damages to your car from theft, vandalism, or natural disasters. Uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage protects you if a driver hits you without adequate insurance. Personal injury protection, or PIP, covers medical expenses regardless of who's at fault. In contrast, medical payments coverage pays for your medical or funeral expenses if you or your passengers are injured or killed in a car accident. Lastly, gap insurance comes into play if your car is totaled or stolen and you owe more than the car's depreciated value. Now that we've covered the types of insurance, let's discuss what factors can affect your car insurance premiums. Various factors can affect how much you pay for car insurance. Let's delve into some of these factors. First up, age and gender. Statistically, young and inexperienced drivers tend to have higher accident rates, especially males. Consequently, their premiums are usually steeper. Next, could you give me your driving history and record? A clean record with no traffic violations or accidents can help reduce your premium. Then, there's your vehicle's type, make and model. High-end luxury or sports cars often cost more to insure than your average family sedan. Your location and area of use also come into play. High traffic regions or places with high crime rates may lead to higher premiums. How much you drive or your annual mileage matters as well. The more you drive, the higher your chances of getting into an accident, hence a higher premium. Lastly, your credit score and financial history can influence your premium. A good credit score may indicate financial responsibility, potentially lowering premiums. Understanding your deductible is another key aspect of your insurance policy. A deductible is the amount you pay out of pocket before your insurance kicks in. Consider it an agreement between you and your insurer. You're willing to shoulder some of the cost in case of an accident, and in exchange, they reduce your premium. However, it's a balancing act. A higher deductible means lower premiums, but you'll shell out more if you file a claim. Conversely, a lower deductible means higher premiums but less out-of-pocket expenses when it's claim time. Now let's touch on some additional features. Roadside assistance, for instance, can be a real lifesaver if you're stranded with a flat tire or dead battery. New car replacement comes into play if your brand new vehicle gets totaled, ensuring you can replace it with another new one. And custom equipment coverage, that's for those special modifications you've made to your ride. Remember, not all policies are created equal. Let's explore how to compare car insurance policies. When shopping for car insurance, comparing policies and getting multiple quotes is essential. Each policy has different coverage limits, deductibles, and premiums. Evaluating these aspects is crucial to ensure you're getting the best value for your money. Now let's talk about the claims process. If you're ever in an accident, the first step is to notify your insurer and file a claim. You'll need to provide detailed information about the incident, including photos, police reports, and other relevant documentation. The insurer will then investigate the claim to determine the extent of the damage and who's at fault. Depending on the circumstances and your policy terms, they will decide how much money to pay for repairs or replacement of your vehicle. Please remember that understanding your policy and the claims process can save you time and stress in an accident. Our next video will cover exceptional cases and provide tips for lowering premiums. Stay tuned and thank you for watching Ready Claim.